All 8 harvesters attended this year's 2019 Landscapes Conference in Louisville, Kentucky. We had a great time and learned so much. The harvesters delivered 6 talks, workshops, and panel discussions and facilitated 16 Breakfast of Champion topics. We also did our annual turnaround tour reveal with this year's participants from our 3rd season. We met with many familiar friends of ours and got to meet many new folks as well. We also introduced our newest head harvester team member, Judd. Now listen in on some of the people we had a chance to talk with.
Harvester head, you just push this button here and you can see if you did a hard driving or a hard braking.
If you push the button, yeah, exactly.
You put the brake down. Then here's your ETA to get to the
ETA,
the conference, okay, get on time for our harvester huddle. And then you've been going a little fast lately, so this is, oh, I thought that was your report.
No, it's not my report.
Head harvester Bill Armin here from the West Coast.
Head harvester Ed LaFlante from the East Coast.
Landscapes 2019 with our good friends Verizon Connect. We got Kevin and Rebecca here. They're going to explain this to Ed and Bill here. So how does this whole thing work?
Yeah, so we have the field service dispatch, as you can see here. The appointment time, the duration is all listed there. We've launched a integrated dash camera this year, so as you see in this video here, it is triggered by harsh driving analysis, hard braking, and clips the video and sends it to the portal.
Is that what the dash cam shows?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yep.
You can see what's going on.
See what's going on, absolutely. Wow. Yep.
You can see what's going on, as well as something that kind of makes us a little different from the rest.
Yeah.
You can record, it will pick up the alert on a harsh driving event, and it will record that. So then at the end of the day, you guys don't have to go back and try and fiddle through and see where exactly and what exactly happened.
So it's like a dash cam or something?
It is. It is a dash cam.
Yeah, we're going to get
the
to
event
a dash
happens,
cam.
it videos the event.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It goes 15 seconds prior to 15 seconds after.
So if this happened, what happens? So this guy, we found out he's harsh driving.
In a harsh driving alert, just like you guys already get alerts on your phones, tablets, on your computers, anything like that, you will also get an alert stating that there was just a harsh driving event that happened. So it will alert you or whoever you choose to in your company to get this alert, and then you can kind of go back and look at it and see what exactly just happened.
Wow. Awesome. What other features does it have?
So we also just came out with our field service application, which it is very, very simple for our dispatchers. Being that they already have our service, they can see where their vehicles are, but it lets them schedule right within the system what exactly the driver needs to do. So once they get all of that scheduled in, they can send it directly to the driver, and he gets that notification immediately.
He or she.
He or she. My apologies. But he or she will get that immediely and accept that job and know exactly how to get there and what they need to do at that job.
Well, that's how to get there. Okay.
Wow.
What about this one? A lot of our clients don't use this.
Don't use the maintenance alert.
No, and they should, right? How does that work?
So our maintenance alerts, you set those up. You can do anything from your oil change to tire rotation. You can remind yourself to your insurance is due or anything whatsoever. You can create anything. Absolutely, absolutely. And so once you do that, so for just the oil change here that we have posted, say you change your oil every 5,000 miles, you need an alert every 4,700 miles. It's going to send you that alert to the maintenance person or whoever you choose to get that alert. Once he receives that, he'll know. He can get the oil changed and then go ahead and document it. It's going to keep how much even he paid for it within the system. So then at the end of the year when it's tax time and you don't want to fumble through and keep all of those receipts, it's already in the system for you.
That's impressive. You know, Harvester Ed, I wonder if they put wine time here at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Wine time, that would be a good idea.
We should add that.
Every day at 5 o'clock, wine time.
Good
Would
stuff.
it do that too? Actually, would probably.
Well, good stuff. That's great information.
Put it in there, does whatever you want.
That's great information, guys. We really appreciate all your help here, Kevin and Rebecca. Now, Harvester Ed, you're right here, and this is the next booth we're going to go to.
Oh.
I'm going to have them put a tracker on you to see, make sure you get there and you get there on time.
We need it in this place.
No
This is
harsh
so
walking
big.
or too much talking.
If it turns
Yes, good
red,
idea.
He's going the wrong way.
It is going the wrong way.
Yeah.
That's right.
Hey, wait,
Gotta
wrong way?
go the right way.
All right,
I got it.
Verizon Connect, make the connection. Great program.